Okay, so today Mr. Joe and I are working together for Digital Literacy Tier 4, learning how to add pages and add images and text to the pages. So he just created a new page and he called it Education. So now, Mr. Joe, go to your page, your actual page, Education, and click on the empty white space. Go to
Okay,
your
well,
actual
first I
page.
need to hit publish, right? To
You don't have to. You can publish at the end. So just go to the space, the white space
okay,
on your actual page. To the
okay,
left, right there. Perfect. So click there. Very good. So just anytime you want to make a quick change and make it active, just click in a white space and it'll activate like the last change that you made. For example, right there, what you just did was you changed the name of the page to education. To activate the new name you gave it, you just simply clicked on the white space and it changed the name. So now
all
you're
right,
going to add, you want to add an image and text, right? So you're
yeah,
going to go to insert
okay,
and you're going to select the content block that you want.
yeah,
You like that first one? Click on that first one. Now you're going to upload a picture. So you're adding your education. So I'm assuming you want to add a picture from Santa Ana College, correct?
yeah,
So you must already have this picture saved on your computer. So click the plus sign to add an image.
okay,
You're
upload,
going to upload, correct? You're going to look for the image. You have that image saved already under your pictures. You're going to select the image, click open, and there you go. So now click where it says click to edit text. That's where you're going to give the title.
yeah.
Okay. There you go, the first one. So what title are you going to give this?
Santa Ana College School of Continuing
Do
Education.
you wish to change the font size first? Since I
Um,
think 39 was too large.
yeah, I think so. I did 18 last time,
That
so
sounds good. Okay. And you can start typing at 18. Let's see what it looks like. Santa Ana College.
oh yeah, whoops,
You don't have to delete it all. You can just put your cursor back there and type the word college,
yeah,
school, continuing education. Okay, it still seems a little too big. Do you
yeah,
want to select it so that
yeah,
everything fits nicely on one lane? Yeah, perfect. So select it, change that to maybe 14. Let's
yeah,
see how that looks. That looks good.
yeah,
Now, later on, you'll have time to add a lot of text about, what you've worked on. Are you working towards any certificate, any state of California certificate, or are you planning to transfer to credit site? You can later on add what your goals are. For now, do me a favor and just add click where it says click to edit text and just add the year when you started and then,
okay,
just hyphen and present. So when did
okay.
you start with us?
Um, the first class I started was with you in digital literacy one. What year was that? Like,
Oh, I don't recall the year, but I think if I was your first instructor, well, then that must have been 2 years ago because
yeah,
so put 2024 for now and we can go back and edit.
okay,
Okay. So 2024 and dash present. Okay. So since we now know you are working towards the digital literacy state approved certificate, why don't you press enter?
okay.
And why don't you add that certificate? Just go ahead and type digital literacy state approved certificate. And then you can type another dash, and you can put anticipated completion date. Because I think that after this, do you still need employability skills or you're done after this?
Um, no, I just passed employability
You
skills.
passed it? Perfect. So then
Yeah.
after this class, let's say everything goes well and you pass this class. So after this class, you will have completed your certificate. So let's say obtained or will complete or completed or anticipated completion date, anything that you want to add, and then add the year.
Okay.
And then you can put
It's gonna be
colon or you can put comma or colon
um
2020. So
yeah
it'll be
two
May
yeah.
of 2026.
Okay.
Very good. So now click outside, click the white space to activate that text. Just click anywhere outside.
Oops.
No, the white. Yes. Perfect. You see? Now
Yeah.
do you want to show us what that looks like? Go to preview.
Okay.
Very good. And this is the way it would look like from a computer device, right?
Yeah.
How about from a tablet? What would it look like from a tablet? And scroll down so we can see. Very nice. All the way down so we can see. Very nice. What about a cell phone? What if I was using, oops, what if I was using a cell phone? What would it look like? Let's see. Very good. Do you like it?
Yeah, I do like it so far.
Like it? Okay. I just think there's, minor edits that you can later on um, edit, right? So for example, of does not need to be capital. If you like the
Yeah.
font, if you want to change the color, if you want to add more pictures, you can. But
Mhm.
this is great. So now go ahead and click the X to exit the preview
Okay.
and go ahead and publish. Any
Yeah.
changes you make, you publish. That's kind of like clicking save, right? Saving
Yeah.
your work. So go ahead and publish again.
Okay.
That's saving your most current work. And let's see what we have going on now. So you have your education, you have a gallery, show us your gallery.
Okay.
Just
I'm
scroll
sorry.
up,
Yeah.
take the scroll bar and put it, very good. Now
Wait,
go to
wait, wait.
gallery.
Yeah.
Very good. Go down. You added a couple of pictures there, and then you even have an image carousel. Very good. Okay. Go ahead and hit preview so we can see your gallery.
Yeah.
Put it maybe on a desktop view so we can
Okay.
see it. Large
Large
screen
screen.
view.
Yeah.
And then scroll down so we can see it. Is it going to transition on its own? Yes, it is. Very good.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, you can hit X now,
Okay.
and we're all done. Thank you, Mr. Joe.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you.